back, everybody. My name is Dean from Soundscape Shop, and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. Bit of a theme going on this week, as there was for the last few weeks. This week's theme is to do with Moonlight and sort of light through the night. On yesterday's work along, I painted To the Moon and Back. The practice painting for which sold. I'm not sure if the painting itself sold that I painted live, because I haven't painted it yet. It's behind me, waiting to be painted on. Filming this on Tuesday. So who knows, but the practice one did sell, and this is how the practice one turned out. Ooh, look at that, pretty. If you want something like that, just let me know. Available in A3 or the 16x20 if it hasn't sold from yesterday's show is available as well. With that in mind, today's painting is going to be of the Soundscape that I did a couple of weeks ago with the soundwave of I love you written on as a soundwave hidden within the landscape as trees. This is a nighttime version of it. Lots of dark Prussian blue and black colours and stuff. If you're interested in something like this being painted, whether it's I love you or happy anniversary or happy birthday or Merry Christmas, something spoke out as a sound wave and then translated into a landscape, then let me know and I'll do that commission for you. Both the daylight version and today's nighttime version have already sold, but if you wanted something similar, do let me know and we'll talk about sizes and prices and all that jazz. And if you are going to order a painting or a commission off me, it makes sense to become a collector first so you get 20% off. If you want to do so, go to soundscapeshopart.com, select your favourite of the 6 free prints on offer, just pay postage and packing to make sure it gets to you safely, and then you will have 20% off everything that I do, everything I've done in the past, everything I'm doing now, and everything I will do in the future. So be gone, £200, hello, £160 for original works of art, things like that as an example. You also get access to the Facebook Collectors group where I run weekly competitions. This week's weekly competition that was launched on Monday is for the ever popular £100 wheel spin. If you want anything painting, put your name down right in the comments in the Facebook group what you want painted if you won, and if wheel lands on your name, you get the painting of your choice for £100 instead of the usual £320 that I usually charge for a 16x20 inch canvas. Let's spin the wheel, shall we, and see who won this week. Well done to you, I shall be in touch. Did you know as well that it's been a year pretty much to the day since I started going live on YouTube as well with my Work Along Wednesdays and Treat Yourself Tuesdays. Isn't that crazy? Thank you very much to anyone who's ever bought anything on those live shows. That means the world to me, as does you just showing up and supporting, commenting, saying hello as well. But yeah, as well as Treat Yourself Tuesday, we've done some Work Along Wednesdays as well. Let me know which one your favourite was. They're all available as well as signed prints on my website, link for which is just down below. And they're on a special offer as well of buy one get one free. If you use the word treat as the code at checkout for that, you get buy one get one free. You also get a nifty little free A3 display album as well, just to display your paintings on, which is very cool. But yeah, here's a reminder of the lovely landscapes that's been painted this year so far.
And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you.
in that can. Who knows what will turn up next week as a painting. But yeah, thank you very much for joining me on those, folks. And here's to many, many more. Right, it's Coffee Break Thursday, and to do, pop that kettle on, mix up a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or a cup of beanies. Put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.